expert bathroom remodeling services in West Valley City, Utah. EagleRidge UT is the trusted expert for bathroom remodeling in West Valley City, Utah. Serving the 84119, 84123, and 84128 areas, we specialize in transforming bathrooms with high-quality materials and modern designs. Whether you're looking for a new bathtub, shower, sink, or custom cabinetry, we provide tailored solutions that enhance both style and functionality. Our comprehensive remodeling services include design and planning, plumbing and electrical work, tile installation, and ventilation upgrades. We ensure every detail is handled with precision, from waterproofing and drywall repair to flooring and lighting installation. Homeowners in West Valley City can benefit from our innovative solutions, such as heated flooring, walk-in tubs, and smart technology integration. We also offer luxury features like jacuzzi tubs, steam rooms, and customized storage solutions to maximize space and comfort. Using only top-quality materials, we prioritize durability, safety, and energy efficiency. Our team works diligently to complete projects on time and within budget, ensuring customer satisfaction with every remodel. For expert bathroom remodeling in West Valley City, Utah, contact EagleRidge UT at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate. Let us help you transform your space with professional craftsmanship and exceptional service.